With Epiphany Repair Module, you're able to customize it to fit your needs by creating any codes, specific fields such as statuses, and you're able to log your history. You can also track your inventory, manage the in and outs of the units being repaired. You're able to perform inspections and return and replace the items. Now we're going to take a look into NetSuite. An integral part to the Epiphany Repair Module is the dashboard. On the left, we can see any open cases. We have the ability to create a new work order. We can see the field service and have a quick link to the calendar. As we move to the middle, we can now have a view of all of our open work orders, which we can filter by status. And in this view, we can also see what's not billed, what hasn't been started, and what's in progress. As we scroll down, now we see the RMA's pending receipt. So as we are waiting for something to come in for repair, we can see the quick link here. Next, if we want to filter our work order specifically by billing status, we have that capability, as well as by part status. And lastly, on the right, we have some KPIs such as work orders that haven't been assigned yet, ones haven't started, in progress, and as well as just a general KPI meter for cases closed. So now we want to go into the meat of our product, which is the work order itself. So when I open a work order directly from the dashboard, I am able to view it. And in here, I can see a quick status. I see some general fields such as customer information, some more details for the status if it came from a case. Then I can have some scheduling information such as start date and end date, as well as the projected duration and who I assigned it to. And then lastly, I have some details such as the work to be performed and any templates that I apply. And once a customer has signed it, we can see their signature here, which shows on the print as well. At the very bottom, we have a list of our parts and tasks. So in this instance, these 2 tasks have already been completed as noted in green. And if I go over to the parts, I can see the parts that were added for this repair. If I go to the schedule tab, I can have a quick link to the calendar where I can schedule technicians. And below, I can see all of those appointments that have already been attached. At the billing and time sub-tab, I can see all the transactions such as quotes, sales orders, or any purchase orders that might have been made for this. And then I can see any time entries, which are native NetSuite time entries logged to this repair itself. So that's just a quick overview of the Epiphany Repair Module. If you have any more questions, please contact us by sending an email to sales@epiphanyinc.net.